Hello student, today we will start summation of n terms of an AP. Summation of n terms of an AP of an AP. Okay, so we know that the Sn is represented for Sn is used for summation of n terms of an and we know that standard appearance of an AP is like that a plus d plus third term is a plus twice of d dot such that nth term we know that about that a plus n minus 1 into d. And for the summation of n terms, we will rewrite the same expression from the end. First term, this is the nth term. We will write a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. And the first term is comes as here a. For the summation, we will add both the terms Sn. This is the twice of Sn. Actually, this is the twice of Sn. And we can see that the summation of these terms is 2a plus n minus 1d. This is also 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And this is also 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also becomes 2a plus n minus 1d. We can see that the summation of each term is 2a plus n minus 1d, and we know that such type of pair are n number of pairs. This becomes n times of 2a plus n minus 1 times of d, so that we can write it as Sn is equal to n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 times into d, twice of a plus n minus 1 times of d. We can rewrite it as Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a is write as a plus n minus 1 times of d. Okay, okay. Then Sn becomes n by 2 a plus, this is the last term, a plus n minus 1 d becomes, this is the last term. So this is also one of the most important formula of Sn, and this is like that Sn is equals to 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is also important formula for an AP. Okay, these are the both are the important formula of an Sn, and we'll discuss about the some properties of Sn. And something is like that in this formula we can see that the Sn is the 2-degree equation, yeah, quadratic equation in terms of n. 2 degree equation in 2-degree expression of n. But remember one thing remember, it is 2-degree means n square plus bn. If the constant term is added into this, then it is the expression of n terms of an AP, but the AP starts from second term. This is important thing. AP starts from second term. Okay, now we derive some basic concept like that summation of first n natural number. Summation of first n natural number. This is like that sigma of r is equal to 1 to n. It is the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and dot 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 n. This is the summation of first terms of n by 2, first plus last divided by 2. This can be written as n plus 1 divided by 2. This is also important. Remember this. And the second thing is summation of first n odd natural number r is equal to 1 to n. Summation of first n odd natural number. We can write it as, if we put r is equals to 1, it is becomes 1. If we put r is equals to 2, then it becomes 3. And further, if r equal to 3, then it becomes 5. And the further it becomes, last term is 2n minus 1. So we can write it as n by 2 first term plus last term. Okay, we can see that this is cancelled, 1 and 1, and 2 is cancelled by 2. This is becomes n square. This is also an important result. Okay, now I can write it another third one thing, which is sigma of 2r. Sigma of 2r, r is equal to 1 to n. This is the summation of first n even numbers. If you put r is equals to 1, then it becomes 2. R is equals to 2, it becomes 4 plus 6, 8, and the last one term is twice of n. This is becomes n by 2. Okay, we don't need to write this. We take 2 common. This is becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and this is n. From the initial, we can see that this is the summation of n terms twice into summation of n terms, first n terms divided by 2. It becomes n plus 1. This is all important points of an AP. ठीक है, okay. We will write some questions. We start with some question. First, you have to remember that this is the formula of NAP. Okay, I will write some question. Value of find the value of find the value of 100 square minus 99 square plus 98 square minus 97 square plus dot dot dot. This becomes terms 4 square minus 3 square 2 square minus 1 square. You have to find the value of this expression. Okay, now I will take for the solution of this question. We will go with solution of this question. We will take pair of two terms. Pair of two terms. Okay. This is the formula. We know that about that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, 100 square minus 99 square, I will write it as 100 minus 99 or 100 plus 99. And for the second term, I will write it as 98 minus 97, 98 plus 97. Dot, dot, dot. This is write as 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3. This is 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. This becomes 1. This is also 1. This is 1 and this is 1. Means first term of each first term becomes 1. So now we can write it as 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus it becomes 97. 98. Okay, this can be written as 98, or in the last term is become 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, now it is the summation of first n natural number. We know that summation of first n terms is n plus 1 divided by 2 n plus 1 divided by 2. This is becomes 50 into 101. This becomes 50 50, 50 50. Okay student, this question is complete. After that I'm starting the another question. We are taking the another question. The next question I write first. Okay, I write first the question. If the if if first term of an AP first term of an AP is 5, ठीक है, एंड लास्ट टर्म मीन्स L इज इक्वल टू L लिख दो या TN लिख सकते हैं, एंड नेट टर्म इज इक्वल टू 45. ओके, 45. Summation of n terms is equal to given is 400. So then you have to find the n means number of terms, and common difference d also. You have to find these two things. Okay, so now we'll start the solution of question. We know that Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 times of d, and the second thing is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. We know that these two formula, a plus L means a plus n minus 1d. ठीक है, okay. तो first we will start this. Sn given is 400, n by 2 I don't know, a is equal to 5 plus last term I know 45. This is equal to, we can write it as 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. This is multiplied by 2, n is equal to 800 divided by 50. This is cancel 0 is 0, and 80 by 5, 80 by 5 we know that it is 14, not 14, not it is, this is 16, and becomes 16. Now we can write it as Tn is equals to a means 5 plus 16 minus 1 means, एक बार लिख देते हैं, 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 45. Okay, 45. 15 d is equals to, this becomes 40, and d is equal to 40 upon 15 is equal to, divide by 5, add by 3, 8 upon 3. Okay, this is the end. Okay, thank you students. सर ये फाइल कहाँ पे है, रिकॉर्डिंग वाली? सुमित सर, रिकॉर्डिंग वाली फाइल कहाँ पे गई? अच्छा, वीडियोस मिल जाएगी क्या? थोड़ा इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा वीडियो. मतलब ये मेरे को सर में नहीं आती पॉलिटिक्स करते क्यों है, उससे क्या मिलता है सर? अगर आप कुछ कुछ सही हो तो थोड़ी सी निकल सर VLC। ओके ओके VLC। राइट ए प्लस एन प्लस। अरे यार, स्क्रीन कट गई थोड़ी सी। स्क्रीन कट गई थोड़ी सी। वो उसमें ठीक था, इधर थोड़ा सा कटा है साइड का। बना देता हूँ है। बाकी ठीक है। एसएन जो लिखा था ना, एसएन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिखा था, वो कटा है। एक साइड का पूरा। हाँ हाँ, कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई नहीं, मतलब उसकी टेंशन। मतलब वो अच्छी बनेगी। रात भर काम, अरे आप सो गए? सोना तो ही नहीं इस इंसान को। हाँ हाँ। ये क्या कर रहे हो फिर? योगासन? योगासन? सोना नहीं है? That's correct.
और सर पता है मैं डेमो देने आया था ना, तब बच्चों से पूछा था मैथ्स वाले कौन कौन पढ़ा है तुम्हें। 10th वाले कहते हैं अप्रैल से 3 टीचर चेंज हो चुके हैं। तीसरे टीचर से मुझसे अप्रैल से अभी तक। मैथ्स का ये मैथ्स का इनके जीवन में पंगा ही रहा है, मैथ्स सही नहीं हुई इनकी। तो आज बड़ा भरोसा दिखाया मुझ पे सर। किसको? अच्छा। हाँ बताया था आपने। बेईमान के बच्चे। कौन पूछता था पूर्ण? सोनू। ये जब छोड़ते हैं उसके बाद कौन? हाँ हाँ बोला था, मेरे सामने ही बोला था कि वो 1 बजे बाद किसी की नहीं सुनते। आज बच्चे, आज पता है, नाइन्थ वाइब्रेंट में मेरा 8th लेक्चर था। ठीक है, बच्चे कह केमिस्ट्री का लेक्चर मैंने कहा 1 बजे बाद सर सो जाते हैं। केमिस्ट्री वाले सर सो जाते हैं 1 बजे बाद। तो क्या सर क्या कह रहे हो? मैंने कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं। 1 बजे बाद सर सो जाते हैं। हरियाणा में सब लोग तू करके बोलते हैं। और छुट्टी के लिए लिखा था तो आ क्यों गया? हैं? दोनों जने आ गए। वेरी अर्जेंट वर्क। मुझे तो मस्त मजा आया था। नहीं सुने तो नहीं सुने, पैसा दो तो सुनेगा। मैं आपसे सुबह ही कह रहा था ना कि डीपी फॉलो है। अच्छा।